Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about the header bar in Scrivener 3 for Windows. The header bar is this portion of the screen directly above the editor. It shows the name of the current document. So what happens if you have the binder hidden, but you only have one document selected, and you want to move around your manuscript without showing the binder? The left and right arrows at the far left of the header bar are navigation back and forth, like you might find in a browser. They take you back through documents you've looked at during this session, and then forward again if you wish. On the far right, you have some other up and down navigation arrows. These will take you directly to the next document in that direction. Now, let's say that you did select your whole manuscript before hiding the binder, so you're in Scrivening's view. But you want to go to a specific document rather than scrolling all the way up or down. When in Scrivening's mode, you have another option, a menu icon. From this, you can select any item within the Scrivening selection and go straight there. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.